Hey guys, if you watched my last video, you saw that we have already solved for y equals -2 times the cube root of x, all right? And I've already drawn that graph, but I'm going to show you what to do if you're in a situation where maybe you don't know what values to plug in for x, okay? So what I'm going to do on this graph is because over here, my negative x values, all right, and my positive x values go from -19, like this is -19 right here, -19, and this is +19 right here, okay? Because they go from -19 to 19, what I'm going to do for my x values is I'm going to make my first x value -19, because we like to go from left to right, all right? And then I'm going to do my largest x value is going to be +19. Okay. And then right in the middle, I recommend always doing 0. Okay. Something that I'm going to put in the middle, like let's just do the middle of those two numbers, which will be -10 and 10, right? So let's pick those. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use a calculator. Okay. So I'm going to punch it in a calculator, but that's -2 times the cube root of -19. Okay. So your calculator, probably if you have a smartphone or a more advanced calculator, is going to have a button that looks like this. Okay, that's what you're looking for. So what we'll do is we will find the cube root of -19. So I'm going to punch in -19, and I'm going to hit that cube root button, and it's going to be -2.66840. Yeah, lots of other numbers. So what I'll do with that is I'll take that and I will hit times -2. And I will get positive 5.34 approximately. Okay. And because I know the shape of this, I'm going to know that that's going to be 19. Okay. 19, the opposite of this will be 19, the y value for 19. But we'll get to that in a minute. All right. So now let's do it with -2 and take the third root of -10. Okay. So I'm going to take the third root of -10. So I will do -10. Take the third root. All right, and that's -2.15443469, and it keeps going, right? You got the idea. So then I will do that times -2. And that's going to be 4.31. All right. Now 0, if I do 2, -2, cube root of 0, well, -2 times the cube root of 0, that's just 0. So we know that right off is going to be 0. All right, so now let's do 10. So if I do 10, I do the cube root. Well, that's 2.1544346900, and so on and so forth. Well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do times -2. All right. And I'm going to notice that this is -4.31. Okay. And if I do the same thing with 19, so I'll do 19, and I'll take the cube root of that. I'll get 2.668401, so on and so forth. And I'm going to multiply that by -2. And that's going to give me -5.34 approximately. Okay, so now I have some x values and some y values, and now I'm going to graph them. All right, so I know that this is negative 19 right here. So we're going to start with negative 19, and we're going to go up 5.34. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go just below the halfway mark. Okay. All right, so there's our first point. All right, next is negative 10. So if I start in the middle, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So then I'm going to go up 4.31. So I'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here. All right. Next is 0, 0. So I'll put my next point at 0, 0. Next is 10 and negative 4.31. So I'll go over 10, positive 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then I'm going to go down 4.31. So down just shy of 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just shy of 4.5. Okay. And then my last point will be 19, negative 5.34. Okay. So 19 is right here. And then I'm going to go down 5.34. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just shy of 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just shy of 5.5. Be right there. All right. So it kind of looks like it makes a line, but it's actually making the curve. All right. So it's going to go from here to here. It starts to turn down. Okay. And then we'll put arrows at the end so we know that it goes on forever. All right. And that is how you graph a cube root function. Y equals negative 2 times the cube root of x.